Japanese New Year's tradition? Fukubukuro, gachapon, pachinko, secret, be lucky. Oh, what's that? Ooh, to be surprised. What? Ichigo? Oh, next. Welcome to Melessenz and Happy New Year. I hope you had a really good Christmas and a good New Year celebration. I had a wonderful Christmas and a wonderful New Year. My friend Thelma in Japan, also on YouTube, she made a video about our New Year. So check it out, I link it in the comments below. Today I'm gonna speak about Japanese New Year's tradition, Fukubukuro. As you already see here, I got 3 lucky bags. Japanese really enjoy playing, for example, pachinko or also gachapon, what I also really like. Japanese love to be surprised, and I also love to be surprised. In Japanese New Year sale are a little bit different. They sell Fukubukuro. Fukubukuro means lucky bag. You can buy a lucky bag for around 1,000 to 10,000 yen. It's 10 to 100 US dollar. The clue is you don't know what's inside, but they promise you to get a better value. You don't know what you get. Usually you don't know. Some places may give you a sneak peek for a few pieces, which are definitely inside. So you also pay for the experience to be surprised. And I really enjoy it. That's why I usually every year get some. This year I got 2 Fukubukuros from Kaldi, this one and this one. And I got one from Village One Garden. Here. This one I will open in my next video. So subscribe and hit the bell button so you will be informed when I upload my next video. The Fukubukuros are usually sold direct New Year, 1st or 2nd. Some Fukubukuros are really popular, so you have to go there early, maybe stay in line and be lucky to get some Fukubukuros. Other Fukubukuros are not so popular and maybe also available some other days, but of course we want to get the really popular one because they are good, obviously, isn't it? I got 2 Fukubukuros from Kaldi. Kaldi is selling coffee, but also a lot of foreigner snacks and goods. So mostly sweets and food options, and the quality is usually really high. So I always get the food Fukubukuro and a coffee Fukubukuro. Because the food, you can't be wrong, it's always good, isn't it? You can use it anyway, especially if it's high quality food. And I also like to drink coffee, so perfect. So let's go to the first Fukubukuro. In this Fukubukuro are only drop coffee, and I got already a sneak peek for what's inside when I bought the bag. I also got it other years and the value was really good. So I decided to get it again. Also, I really love the reusable bags they are coming in. They are always really nice. This drop bag was easy to get. I didn't have to line up. So let's see what's inside. Here we have the first coffee. It's a New Year blend from Kaldi. Looks good to me. Then we have the Blue Mountain blend. Each drop coffee has 10 grams of coffee powder inside. And here looks like we have a few different ones. In each packet it seems to be 6 drop coffees. Here the premium mocha blend. And here the last Kenya. So I got 5 packets, 6 drop coffees, and the whole bag was 1,500 yen, so around 25 US dollar. I'm happy, as I knew I would be happy. Always get that. So to the next bag, our secret food bag. I'm really excited about this bag. I always get it every year, but this year it was much more difficult to get. I had to line up before the store opened to have a chance to get it. And then I had to get a little ticket and I could buy it. It was 4,000 yen, so around 40 US dollar. Let's see if I get the value out of it. I always get it because the quality of food is really good in that store. Let's see what's inside. So look at this bag. It's a really cute reusable bag. So the first item. The first item is drop coffee. Yeah, always good to use. I love it. The next item, miso soup. I love miso soup. As I told in another video, miso soup is really good for your gut health. So I definitely can use that. And this is instant noodle soup, so really easy to do. Just pour in some hot water and ready to go. Woo! The next one. Oh, chocolate wafer with a hazelnut cream. Sounds really delicious. Oh, spaghetti. Spaghetti are really nice. My fiance just asked me yesterday if we don't want to eat spaghetti, and I say, yeah, let's eat on Monday. Perfect. Oh, another chocolate. Tim Tam. I never had this chocolate. Seems like it's from Australia. I'm excited to try. Oh, something heavy. Ichigo pudding. Oh, pudding? Ichigo is strawberry. I'm excited to try. Next, what do I see? It's salad dressing with, as it looks like, there is some sesame inside, shoyu, which is soya sauce, sesame, garlic. Yeah, really good. Always useful to have salad sauce. We love good salad. There is more. What's that? Oh, honey. Really good. Organic honey. So really good. I'm excited. It's good for people which are having hay fever. If they regularly eat honey, it might help with the hay fever. So it's good to try, especially now before spring is coming. Oh! More nuts. Wow. Walnuts, almond, hazelnut, pumpkin seed, and goji berry. Wow. That's a good mix. Perfect when you're a little bit hungry. Get these healthy fats. Usually nuts are really expensive in Japan, so good value. Oh, what's that? Ooh, I had to Google that. This is yuzu kosho, and it is chili pepper with yuzu. Yuzu is a Japanese lemon. And salt, fermented, so I guess it's really good for your gut and it will be used for seasoning. Wow, I'm amazed. It's always good, food Fukubukuro, because you learn new things. I didn't know about that. If I wouldn't get this Fukubukuro, I would never probably try it, because how should you know what it is? Great. Oh! Soy milk biscuit with flavored cream. Wow, it looks like New Year pack. This one is just for New Year. Kaldi always put in certain things just for the Fukubukuro. Really excited. Yeah. Cute little cookies, always good. Next, oh, wow. These are little towels which Japanese wrap their bento box or other stuff inside. Always really useful for wrapping, for a present. Next! Ooh, olive oil. My fiance really loves olive oil, so good to use as well. Oh! Earl Grey tea. Wow! This package is amazing. A little cat like Goma, my cat. It's a really cute black cat. Yeah. Always good to have some tea. Loose leaf tea is a lot better than the other package usually. Oh, a can? Curry! My fiance really loves curry, so we definitely will use that. Saba curry. I don't know what kind of curry it is, but I'm sure it's good. Never had some bad stuff in Kaldi. Oh, here! Always, every year, we get a little bag with green tea with the animal of the year. This year is the year of the cow, so really cute. It's always in a Fukubukuro, I like it. Oh, here also with the cow for the year. What's inside? Oh, chocolate inside. As I said, chocolate is always good. Oh, it's getting less. Oh, what's that? Okay. Nuts again. This is walnut, kurumi, and with black sugar. Tasty. Yeah, good. Good fats and a little bit snack because of the sugar. And now, already the last one. Oh, this year we got a little notebook. Cute little notebook. Oh, that's always useful. Yeah, that's it from Kaldi. Wow! We got a lot of new stuff, really excited to try it, and I'm sure the value was much more than I paid for. So, I really can recommend the Fukubukuro from Kaldi. I'm looking forward for next year. What do I get? I guess some really interesting snacks as well. If you want to see what's in the next Fukubukuro, lucky bag or maybe unlucky bag, because this bag is really popular to be really unlucky. So we will see if I have luck, like with my Kaldi bags, or unluck, probably. Then subscribe and hit the bell button because it will be my next video up here. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful start in your new year. Stay calm and happy.